Oh man, what's cracking YouTube? What's cracking? It's the first of the month. In my Bone Thug voice, man. You know what that mean. Rent checks coming in, they coming in. They coming in. So yeah, man, these folks, man, they try to get me off my square this week, man. Miserable people, man. Miserable, fucked up individuals. So man, note for today, don't let these people get you off your square, man. Stay focused, man. Get out of negative people out your life. You know, man, get them out your life, man. So, okay, let's hit the light. So, yeah, man. So, we got, did some changes to the hoe. So, let me see. So, okay, I had the W7s in there, right? Boom, boom, boom. Took them out. Swapped them with the X's, man, and the Sundowns, man. I had to swap them on out. Let's see if we can get this thing out. Dun, dun, dun. Out with the old. And we in with the new. Let's see, man. The Sundown X's. Whew. Yeah, y'all see it. Yeah, man, we had to get rid of these, man. I blew one of them. Which one I blew? So I end up blowing this one. I said, man, fuck that. I'm not about to pay another, what is them? $1,500 for one. I can get two for one, and they hit harder. And they better, man. The W7s, man, they cool, but I had them for a minute. One new, so I got a new one right here. These other ones, man, so I got three. So, man, anybody want to buy some W7s, man, hit me up. Hit me up on my email or something, man. I send them straight to you. Brand new. Look at it. Brand spanking new. If not, I'm going to do something with them. Put them in my lap. Or do something. But yeah, man, we got the, let me see if I can play a little tune for y'all or something. I'm probably going to have to wait, man, because it's a little early, but we're going to get this day started, man. Let's see here. Get me out of my square. Oh yeah, man, why we in wheel today? Oh, yeah, not to mention, man, I swapped out the amp, Sundown, everything, man. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see here. So let me took the Sundown Xv3 out. Put in two still can't see. Got this for the highs, 500.4 for the highs. We got two Ks for the subs. And you know, man, next time, man, we gonna swap out these cars. We gonna run something else. And eventually get out the doors dead. But yeah, man, we alright for right now, though, man. We alright for right now, man. We hitting way harder than it was. You know, so we moving and grooving, man. day.
Like a butler, I just wait on shit.
Yeah.
Niggas trapping for 3 weeks and
Down
still
a minute.
shit. I got so much frost on this new rollie, like I sprayed the wrist. No 36.
Yeah, man, fresh out the shop, looking good, man. Moving and grooving, let's go.